friends, welcome to Nina's kitchen. Today I will make khandvi in microwave. In order to make the khandvi, I have taken a half cup of the ground flour, which is called basin. I have taken a half cup of yogurt. If the yogurt is not too sour, then I have taken 1 teaspoon of the lemon juice. Less than a quarter teaspoon of the turmeric powder. To make it little more spicy and not to change the color, I have taken the white ground pepper. Let 1 teaspoon of the rice flour and also salt to taste. I have taken a half teaspoon of the salt. And last, I have 1 cup of water. Slowly I will mix the water into the ground flour in order not to have any lumps. After I mix properly, I will strain all the stuff to get rid of the lumps. As you can see that the stuff is perfect and without the lumps. Now we are ready to put this stuff into the microwave. I will put for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I will take it out from the microwave and mix them with the whisk not to get the lump. And put it in the microwave again for 2 minutes. Again, after 2 minutes, I took it out from the microwave and mix it with the whisk. It looks like that after 4 minutes together, but still it's not ready. Now I will put it again for 1 minute. It took 6 minutes to cook and it should look like that. And now we are ready to spread them out. To spread them out, we have to take this stainless steel plate, or you can spread them on the countertop too. And also you can use this one, which you can get it into the home hardware, and you can spread them as thin as possible. Try to spread them evenly. Friends, you can see that you have to spread it very fast So you have to keep all the stuff ready to spread it, and you have to leave it at least for 5 to 10 minutes to get it cooled down. After 10 minutes, now you can see it's completely cooled down. So what I will do, I will take a knife, I will cut them from the middle. And you can keep the size according to your choice. Now we are ready to roll them down. So start the roll slowly and slowly. You can see that it's been cooked very properly, and you can roll them very nicely. Friends, you can see that the khandvi has come out very nice. It's rolled properly. Now we have to temper this khandvi. To temper this khandvi, I took a 1 pan and I took a 3 tablespoon of the oil. This khandvi I have taken 3 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of the rye, which is called as mustard seeds, 5 to 10 pieces of the curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of the sesame seeds. Now you can see that the mustard seeds and the sesame seeds is cracking properly. So I shut the stove off, and with the spoon I will spread this one on the top of the khandvi. After tempering the stuff, I will garnish them with the coriander. And also I will garnish with the coconut, shredded coconut. If you have the fresh, you can shred the fresh one too. If you not, then you can use these shredded coconuts. Now, as friends, you can see that the khandvi is ready to serve, and it looks so nice. You can see that you can make this khandvi in 5 to 7 minutes, and altogether 15 minutes of the process. Friends, I appreciate if you can make this khandvi at home, and if you like it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, and enjoy the khandvi.